Hey guys, let's do this DIY plaster shelf. For that you need some old cardboard you have. So I put them into shapes and then I tried to block it all up with masking tape. Then I added the strips of paper so that it has a hard surface after it is dried. So once it's dry, you need to put POP all over it and you have to make sure that it is on all edges. Now you don't really have to worry when you have a lot of rough edges. Once it's dried, it starts to look like this, and then you can use a sandpaper to smooth it out. So it takes a little while, but I do enjoy doing crafts, so it was not a very big issue for me. But be careful of all the dust after sandpaper. So this is how it turned out, but I still did a lot more sandpaper finishing for this to be finalized as a good product for shelving. So now once I have done it completely, this is how it looks, and I like the raw look it has. So now I can either keep it for my gardening or I can use it as a shelf for my vase or any decorative thing. So definitely give this a try. Bye.